What's up, you guys? Today I'll be fishing one of my favorite lakes, and we're in the beginning of summertime. We're in June as of right now. We got some pretty hot weather. I'm not expecting to catch too much today. I have a short time fishing, but I'm going to be concentrating on high percentage areas. So what I mean by that is basically structure, and as well as channel swings and summertime patterns. I'm assuming they're going to be chasing shad and bait around, so that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be throwing a lot of reaction baits, cranks and chatterbait. We had a couple rainstorms here the other day, so I'm pretty sure the water's going to be a little bit dirty, but you know, that might be something that might fall into my favor. But again, it might be pretty tough. I don't expect to catch too much, but hopefully we can get on them. So stay tuned and we'll go from there. God, missed him. There he goes. White perch. Good one. Blade bait. Alrighty. It's a good one. That's big. There we go. Knew it. Just knew it. Right for that point. Go ahead and back it up here a little bit. Let's go. Good one. There we go. Here it goes. It's on this one bait. Come here. On this one bait. I'll take it. Suspended. There we go. On the swim bait. Stay down. Stay down. Oh my God. Ugh. Oh my God. What is going on? There we go. That's the one I'm looking for. That's the one. Yes. On the ledge, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Beast. Gigging. on the ledge. Yes. Big boy. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Randleman. That's a big one. Always catch 1 over 20 here. Thank you. There he is. That's a big one. That's a big one. Big one. Big one. Oh, man. Gotta love fishing ledges. Summertime. Crappie. And slab. There we go. Oh shit, this is bass or something. Definitely something. Oh, it's a bass. Bass off a little gulp on top of the mouth. There we go. White perch. Ooh, that's a good one right there. That's a good white perch. That's a good one right there. That's a good white perch. Yes. Oh, that's a good one. Freaking catfish. What the freak? Oh, look at that cat. Let's swim bait. Oh, yeah, that's a good fish right there. That's a good fish. Might be a bass. It's a bass. Oh my goodness. That's a big bass. Off his little, come on. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, you gotta be kidding me. Off a light line too. Come on, come on, come on. Oh my goodness, come on, come on. Not ready. It's crazy. It's crazy. Oh my gosh, look at that. That is a freaking giant. Oh my gosh. Off a freaking Berkeley Cope. Big one.
This is a very, very, very big company with massive, massive revenue. And I just thought, half the profitability. Okay, this is interesting. So, where you're at here. Some of the key messages that came out of this that I think is important to generally explain to you is, number one, they were hit by a very significant, they talk a lot about headwinds and tailwinds.
All right, you guys, this is my outro video. We did catch a lot of fish, and it was super hot. It got really hot out there, and a lot of the fish were pretty scattered. I found them on points and offshore areas and the creek channels. But, you know, overall, they're basically just chasing shad. It's kind of hard to follow them, but I did find them and caught them off of, you know, jigs, drop shot, blade baits and things like that, and caught a bunch of different species, not just bass. There's white perch, crappie, and catfish. So overall it's pretty fun. I got a little mixed bag in there. Caught a couple big ones, lost a lot of big ones too as well. There's one probably about like 7 pounds I lost, but overall it was a pretty good day. And you know, happy July 4th weekend. Hope you guys enjoy it, and we'll see you guys next time.